Hi everyone, in this video we'll be working with filters. We will be working with all and all except. So let's get started. So here I will create a measure. In this measure I will calculate the total revenue and ignoring all the filters for the customer name. So let's do it. I will give it here a name M11 all total sales, which is calculate sum of revenue all customer name. So that means I'm taking the revenue regardless, and for the customer name, I will ignore all the filters. We will test it here. We'll just put here a card, and I will put here the number. So I have here 365,000. If I filter for Canada, France, Germany, this changes. If I filter also for the date, it will change. But if I filter here for the customer names, nothing will happen because I specify here in the measure that uh, ignore all the filters in the customer name. So that's why it's not changing. There's also something else like it's the other way around called all except. And so let's test it here. All except total sales, which is equal to calculate sum revenue all except um, for the table customers and customer name. So we will test it here. So this is actually saying take the revenue and um, ignore all the customers filters except the customer name. So for example, here in the customer table, I have, so this is the table. So I have here the country. So if I click on the country, it will ignore it. It will ignore all the filters. This number stays the same. If, for example, here, just like put something else like a customer ID, um, just change it to, so this will ignore it because I said here in the formula, please ignore all the things in the customer except the customer name. So if I filter here for the customer name, this will change. You see that it's like the other way around from the all. And so here in this case, um, I don't ignore the filter in the customer name, but for the other columns in the customer, the filters get ignored. So here you see the data do not change. So actually that was it for the filtering. We use all and all except. Thank you for watching.